Investing in property can be a lucrative financial strategy, but it's important to approach it with a sound understanding of the market and careful planning. Here are some steps you can take to invest in property. 1. Determine your investment goals. Before investing in property, consider what you want to achieve from your investment. Do you want to generate rental income, or are you looking for long-term capital growth? This will help you decide on the type of property you should invest in and the location. 2. Research the market. Look into the local property market to identify areas where property prices are increasing and where there is a high demand for rental properties. This can help you choose the right property and location to invest in. 3. Consider the costs. When investing in property, there are various costs to consider, such as the purchase price, stamp duty, legal fees, and ongoing maintenance and management costs. Make sure you have a clear understanding of these costs before making an investment decision. 4. Financing. If you are unable to purchase a property outright, you may need to obtain financing. Consider the various financing options available, such as a mortgage or loan, and ensure that you have the means to make repayments. 5. Find a suitable property. Once you have identified a suitable location and financing options, start looking for a property that meets your investment goals. Consider factors such as the condition of the property, its potential for rental income or capital growth, and any legal or regulatory issues. 6. Manage your investment. Once you have purchased a property, it's important to manage it effectively. This may involve hiring a property manager to handle rental income, repairs, and maintenance, or doing it yourself if you have the skills and time. Remember, investing in property can be a complex process, so it's important to seek professional advice and guidance if you are unsure about any aspect of the investment process.